Hello student, welcome to video lecture series for Engineering Mathematics 1. In today's session, we are going to learn MCQs on Fourier series. Also, some theory examples on Fourier series. So before starting the actual topic, first you should know what is a periodic function. A periodic function is what? A function f of x is said to be periodic if f of x plus t is equal to f of x. If f of x plus t equal f of x for all real x. For example, f of x equal to sin x. f of x equal to sin x. Now here replace x by x plus 2 pi. So sin x plus 2 pi is equal to, here we can use sin a plus b formula. So sin x cos 2 pi plus cos x into sin 2 pi. Sin 2 pi is equal to 0. Therefore, and cos 2 pi equal to 1. So sin x plus 2 pi equal to sin x. Sin x plus 2 pi equal to sin x. Hence, f of x plus 2 pi equal to f of x. Therefore, sin x is a periodic function of period 2 pi. Similarly, cos x is also periodic function of period 2 pi. Tan x and cot x are also periodic function of period pi. Cos x, sec x periodic function of period 2 pi. Now here, if t is a period of function f of x, then f of x plus nt equal to f of x. If t, suppose t is a period of the function f of x, then f of x plus nt is equal to f of x. That means 2t is also period of the function f of x, 3t is also period of function f of x. So in general, nt is also period of the function f of x. The smallest period is called as the fundamental period. So fundamental period of sin x is what? 2 pi. Fundamental period of tan x is pi. Second, if f of x plus ax is a periodic function of period t, then f of ax is also a periodic function with period t upon a. If f of x is a periodic function of period t, capital T, then f of ax is also periodic function of period t upon a. For example, cos 3x. Cos 3x, what is the period of cos 3x? Now we know that here period of cos x is what? Is a 2 pi. Period of cos x is 2 pi. Therefore, period of cos 3x is equal to what? With the help of this definition, period of cos 3x is equal to 2 pi divided by 3. So if I compare the 3x equal to 2 pi, then x is equal to 2 pi upon 3. So 2 pi upon 3, which is the period of cos 3x. Now here, period of tan 2x. Period of tan, we know that period of tan x is pi. Therefore, period of tan 2x is what? If I compare this, 2x equal to pi, so x is equal to pi by 2. So period of tan x is what? Pi upon 2 with the help of the equation. Now here, what is the period of sin 5x? Period of sin 5x is what? We know the period of sin x. Period of sin x is 2 pi. Therefore, period of sin 5x is 2 pi equal to 5x, so x equal to 2 pi divided by 5, x equal to 2 pi divided by 5. And here what is the period of cot 4x? Period of cot 4x is tell me the period of cot 4x. So what is the period of tan x? Period of tan x is pi, so period of cot 4x is that x is equal to pi divided by 4, x equal to pi divided by 4. Now the main definition is periodic function. So as well as here, what is the even and odd function? Now the even and odd function is even and odd function, which is also required in Fourier series. A function f of x is said to be even if f of minus x equal to f of x. If f of minus x is equal to f of x, then we say that the function is an even function. For example, sin x. What is the sin x? If I replace, this is suppose f of x. If I replace x by minus x, so sin minus x equal what? Minus sin x. So sin x is not even function. Sin x is not an even function. Similarly, cos x. If I replace x by minus x, cos is what? Cos is an even function. X square. What about x square? If I replace f of x equal to suppose x square. If I replace x by minus x, so x minus of x square equal to what? It is the x square, which is fx. So f of x square is an even function. F of x square is what? Which is even function. Now x sin x. What about x sin x? X is odd function, sin x is odd function, and product of two odd function is what? It is an even function. Product of two odd function is an even function. Or similarly, if I apply the definition, if I replace x by minus x, so minus x sin of minus x. Sin of minus x equal to what? If I take minus sign outside, it become x sin x, which is your fx, which is your fx. Therefore, x sin x is an even function. So f of x equal to modulus of x. This is, we know that it is an even function. So graph of the even function is symmetrical about y-axis. Graph of even function is symmetrical about y-axis, and graph of odd function is symmetrical about opposite quadrant. Now a function is said to be odd. A function is said to be an odd function if f of minus x equal to minus of f of x. If f of minus x equal to minus of f of x, then we say that the function is an odd function. For example, f of x equal to x. Is it odd? Yes, it is a clearly odd function. If I replace x, similarly f of x equal to x cube. This is also odd function. Tan x is also an odd function. Now here, product of even and odd function is what? Odd function. This is odd. This is an odd function. Also, this is, we know that it is a product of two odd function is what? Even function. E to the power x. If I replace x by minus x, then it is neither even nor odd function. E raised to x is neither even nor odd. Similarly, cos 2x is an even function. Also, addition of two odd function. Addition of two odd functions is the odd function. 1 minus a square is also, it is not odd, it is a even function. And this, what about this function? If I replace x by minus x, then if you draw the graph of this, it is like V shape. So it is an even function. So you may replace x by minus x. x रिप्लेस करके भी हम इसे सॉल्व कर सकते हैं. So next, Fourier series in the interval 0 to 2 pi. Fourier series in the interval 0 to 2 pi. In online examination, you have to memorize this definition of Fourier series. This type of question can be asked in Fourier series. In online examination, what is the Fourier series in the interval 0 to 2 pi? So if f of x is a periodic function of period 2 pi and which satisfies the Dirichlet conditions, then f of x equal to a0 by 2 plus summation an cos nx plus bn sin x, an cos nx plus bn sin x, where a0, an and bn are called as the Fourier coefficient, and a0 equal to what? 1 by pi, 0 to 2 pi, interval 0 to 2 pi, here is 1 upon pi f of x dx. ऑनलाइन एग्जामिनेशन में a0 सॉल्व करने के लिए बोलेंगे. a0 आपको बोल सकते हैं ऑनलाइन एग्जाम में, जैसे an और bn लेन दिए वो सॉल्व करने के लिए नहीं बोलेंगे. an इज इक्वल टू 1 अपॉन पाई 0 टू पाई f of x cos nx dx, and bn is equal to what? f of x sin nx dx, f of x sin nx dx, it should be n here, f of x sin nx dx. तो ऑनलाइन एग्जाम में आपको क्या करना है, a0 फाइंड आउट करने के लिए बोलेंगे, तो a0 का फार्मूला ध्यान में रखना है. Fourier series in the interval 0 to 2 pi, a0 equal to 1 by pi 0 to 2 pi f of x dx, or maybe calculate a1 equal to what? Put n is equal to 1 by pi 0 to 2 pi f of x cos x dx, or b1 equal to what? 1 by pi 0 to 2 pi f of x sin nx dx. Now the second is, now Fourier series in the interval minus pi to plus pi. So if the interval given minus pi to plus pi, then always check for even and odd function. Always check for even and odd function. Always check for even or odd function. So if f of x is an even function in the interval minus pi to plus pi, if f of x is an even function in the interval minus pi to plus pi, in the interval minus pi to plus pi, then a0 equal to, Fourier coefficient a0 equal to 2 by pi 0 to pi f of x dx, this is the 0 to pi. an is equal to 2 by pi 0 to pi f of x cos nx dx, and bn is equal to 0. bn is equal to 0. Now here function is an even function given, that means f of x is even function and sin x is an odd function. Product of even and odd function is the odd function. So for that bn is equal to 0. Therefore Fourier series is what? Put bn equal to 0 here. So Fourier series a0 by 2 summation an cos nx, bn is equal to 0. So Fourier series in the interval minus pi to plus pi for even function f of x is equal to a0 by 2 summation an cos nx n from 1 to infinity. bn क्या है? bn is equal to 0. Second, if f of x is an odd function, if f of x is an odd function, then the Fourier coefficients are, for odd function Fourier coefficients are a0 equal to 0, an equal to 0 and bn is equal to 2 upon pi 0 to pi f of x sin nx dx, and the Fourier series is one to infinity bn sin nx, bn sin nx. Third, if f of x is neither even nor odd, now if f of x is neither even nor odd function, then a0 equal to 1 by pi minus pi to pi f of x dx. You can find the value of a0 with the help of this formula. A is equal to 1 by pi minus pi to pi f of x cos nx dx, and bn equal to 1 by pi minus pi to pi f of x sin nx dx. And Fourier series is what? Fourier series for neither even nor odd function is a0 by 2 summation an cos nx plus bn sin. Now the next important result is Fourier half range cosine series, Fourier half range cosine series in the interval 0 to pi. Fourier half range cosine series in the interval 0 to pi is f of x equal to a0 by 2 plus summation 1 to infinity an cos nx. Here a0 equal to 2 by pi 0 to pi f of x dx, and an is also equal to 2 by pi 0 to pi f of x cos nx dx. जैसे आप c1 फंक्शन के लिए यूज़ किया था, सेम फार्मूले यहाँ पे हाफ रेंज कोसाइन सीरीज के लिए करना है हमें. Fourier हाफ रेंज साइन सीरीज इन द इंटरवल 0 to pi is equal to what? f of x equal to summation 1 to infinity bn sin x, where bn is equal to 2 over pi 0 to pi f of x sin nx dx, f of x sin nx dx. Here a0 equal to 0, an equal to 0. हाँ, जैसे ऑड फंक्शन के लिए आप लगाएगा ये सेम रिजल्ट ऑड फंक्शन के ये. हाँ, ऑड फंक्शन के f of x इज एन ऑड फंक्शन इन द इंटरवल माइनस पाई टू प्लस पाई. सेम रिजल्ट यहाँ पर यूज क्या है? a0 इक्वल टू 0, an इक्वल टू 0. और हाफ रेंज कोसाइन सीरीज के कौन से रिजल्ट है? इवन फंक्शन के. आपको ये ध्यान में रखना है, हाफ रेंज कोसाइन सीरीज फॉर even function and half range sine series result for odd functions. Now second, Fourier series in the interval 0 to twice L. Fourier series in the interval 0 to twice L is f of x is equal to a0 by 2 summation n from 1 to infinity an cos nx की जगह पे क्या लिखेंगे? cos n pi x upon L plus bn sin n pi x upon L, where a0 equal to, where a0 equal to 1 by pi खींचे 1 by l 0 to twice l f of x dx। a0 ऑनलाइन एग्जाम में बोल सकते हैं आप लोगों को। a n इक्वल टू 1 by l 0 to twice l f of x cos n की जगह पे क्या लिखें n pi x upon l and bn is equal to 1 over l 0 to twice l f of x sin n pi x upon l into dx। Now second, Fourier series in the interval minus L to L. If the interval is minus L to L, just I said, if the interval is minus 2 plus, then always check for even and odd function. If f of x is an even function, then always the Fourier coefficient Bn is equal to 0. Always Fourier coefficient Bn is equal to 0. Only we need to calculate a0, and which is equal to, instead of 1 by L, it is the 2 by L 0 to L f of x dx, and an is equal to 2 by L integration 0 to L f of x cos n pi x upon L into dx. Also, if f of x is an odd function, then always a0 equal to 0, an equal to 0. Only here calculate the Fourier coefficient Bn, which is the 2 by L 0 to L f of x sin n pi x upon L into dx. Substitute all values here. For even function Bn is equal to 0, and for odd function an and a0 equal to 0. Now so Fourier half range cosine series in the interval 0 to L. Next formula is Fourier half range cosine series in the interval 0 to L. Cosine series में कौन से फार्मूला यूज करना है आपको? इवन फंक्शन वाले। So इवन फंक्शन, अगर if f of x is even function, then Bn is always 0. Only we need to calculate a0, and which is equal to what? 2 by L 0 to L f of x dx, and an equal to 2 by L 0 to L f of x cos, not write nx, it is n pi x upon L into dx. And the Fourier series is what? Fourier series is a0 upon 2 summation an cos n pi x upon L n from 1 to infinity. And the Fourier हाफ रेंज साइन सीरीज इन द इंटरवल 0 to L. हाफ रेंज साइन सीरीज तो आपको कौन सी फार्मूली? ऑड फंक्शन के। ऑड फंक्शन में क्या होता है? a0 इक्वल टू 0 फोरियर कोएफिशिएंट और an इक्वल टू 0, एंड bn इज इक्वल टू 2 by L 0 to L f of x sin n pi x upon L into dx. And the Fourier series, Fourier sine series what? f of x is equal to 1 to infinity bn sin n pi x upon L. bn sin n pi x upon. So first function is, what is value of a0? Value of a0 in the Fourier series of function f of x equal to e raised to x in the interval 0 to 2 pi. In the interval 0 to 2 pi, interval is given 0 to 2 pi. So formula of a0 is what? 1 over pi 0 to 2 pi f of x dx, and which is equal to 1 over pi 0 to 2 pi e raised to x dx, e raised to x dx. Now substitute the value. Integration of e raised to x is e raised to x. Limit from 0 to 2 pi. Substitute upper and lower limit. E raised to 2 pi minus e raised to 0, and that is equal to 1 over pi e raised to 2 pi minus 1 e raised to 2 pi. So this type of question can be asked in same examination or in same examination. So only here we only need to write the formula of a0, which is 1 over pi 0 to 2 pi f of x dx, and within 2 lines we can calculate the value of a0. Now the second example is, what is the value of a0 in Fourier series of function f of x equal to x in the interval 0 to 2 pi. So we know the formula of a0 is what? In the interval 0 to 2 pi. So we have to memorize this formula: 1 upon pi 0 to 2 pi f of x dx, and that is equal to 1 over pi 0 to 2 pi. What is f of x? It is a x sin x dx, and with the help of generalized by parts rule, integrate this. So x into integration of sin x is minus cos x, into derivative of x is 1, integration of cos x is sin x 0 to 2 pi. If I put upper limit x equal to 2 pi, then this sign becomes 0. Also if I put